Account receivable affect one or more assertions. Which of the following assertions relate to account receivable net of allowance for doubtful account, which is mean net receivable, existence or valuation? So we have to know the difference between existence and valuation. Existence for the account balances means do the account receivable actually exist? And here we are looking at gross balance, and the question is not about the gross amount, because remember, account receivable minus the allowance equal to net receivable. So when we are dealing with existence, we are dealing with account receivable, but the question is about this number, not account receivable. The questions that we are being asked is net receivable, account receivable net of the allowance. So once one is out, so A is out, C is out. Now all we have to find out is 2, which is valuation, deals with the account receivable net of the allowance. And remember, what did we say valuation? Valuation deals with the dollar amount. Here we are asking, is account receivable properly valued at net realizable value? Is this a valuation assertion? And the answer is yes. Now, how do you make sure it's properly valued? You check their credit policies, you check to see how they estimated allowance, so on and so forth. So yes, valuation is an assertion that deals with the account receivable net of the allowance. Therefore, the answer is B.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.